How to start a chat in Line. New to Line and ready to start chatting? Here's a quick and easy guide on how to start a chat online. First, tap Line and tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen right here. This is where all your conversation lives. Now tap the speech bubble with a plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to start a new conversation. Tap on it. Now from your friends list, you can tap on the contact you want to chat with. You'll instantly enter the chat window like this. Tap on next. As you can see, you have entered the chat window. Now you can just tap the text box at the button and type your message from here. And you can just tap on send right here. You can also send photos, stickers, and voice messages from here. And that's it. That's how to start a chat in Line. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.